How's it going, everybody? I am at the fairgrounds where they have the auction. Just about everything is gone. You have an old manure spreader here, and the 4420 combine is still sitting here. It has been sold though, so it's no longer ours. So actually the reason why I'm starting here with this video today is because we are heading out and gonna do some combine shopping. So today we're gonna go out to Western New York and look at a couple, backtrack a little bit. There's a couple on the way. So there's some we're looking at today, and then I'm just gonna put it all together in this video, and then we're gonna go into Pennsylvania and look at some combines there. So I don't know how much I'm going to video actually at the places. The first place we're going to go to is someone who is listing it. It's not a dealership, it's someone who's actually selling the combine. So I'm not gonna, I don't know if I'm going to be breaking out a camera and going, you know, going all through his place and everything. But if it's a dealership, I'll definitely get the camera out and we'll see what we can see. But anyway, we're going to hit the road and let's go shop for some combines. Pioneer Road. I wonder what they plant.
Yeah, I bet that's potatoes.
Couple big cases up here. Was that a 7810? Heck with a combine. Let's go grab that. So day number 2. I'm in the truck right now, just coming back from, I took this out to fill it up with diesel. I'm going back to hook onto the trailer right now, the flatbed trailer. And we are heading down to Pennsylvania to Zeisloff Equipment down in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Anyone who's familiar with that area probably knows of Zeisloff's. I've never been there. I've just seen pictures. I follow him on their. I follow him on Instagram, and they seem like they have a lot of stuff down there. So I'm looking forward to go down and see all the combines and headers and all the equipment that they got down there. I'm looking forward to that. Should be a good drive. It's not too far away. Clouds aren't looking too bad right now. They were pretty dark earlier. We're supposed to get some rain today. Yesterday went pretty good. I know I haven't shown you much as far as equipment on this, you know, just getting out to Western New York. I wasn't going to video in the guy's shop. When you're in a guy's personal shop, I'm not going to take my camera out and start videoing and everything. And the guy was wonderful to talk to. He was very open and honest with everything with the combine. He did not hold back whatever, you know. He would tell you things that even if you didn't ask, he'd say, well, you know, I did have a problem with this one time. And he was, you know, very, very nice young man. And so that was a good trip. By the time we got out of there and we stopped and grabbed something to eat, we weren't going to make it to the Penn Yan location in time before they closed. So I'll definitely be able to give you guys some. Geez, bouncing around here. I'll definitely be able to bring you guys some footage today of Zeisloff's place. So the clouds are over. It's getting cloudy over that way. But anyway, I'm just gonna go back now and I'm gonna hook this up to the trailer, get it all hooked up, and get ready to hit the road. I think we're all hooked up. I gotta shut this door. Test out the lights, everything looks good. Brakes are good. Time to hit the road.
6,000. What is this, a high 10 or? 43, I never know what this is.
I don't know.
It's got that. It's about ready to come off.
Yeah, that one, I'm sure that'd be replaced. You got some old Gleaners. Boy, they got just about everything you can need. Yeah, there's the green.
And go down the road.
Yeah. That one's not too much bigger. The grain cart here. Bigger than ours, but not too much.
I don't know.
600 bushel,
Oh, 6. Okay, I'm trying to.
I'm assuming. Nice lineup. Even got some for the red guys.
No, I think that's a great idea. 35-foot cart. Set both of them on.
Well, if you can't find a combiner ahead here, you're not looking hard enough. Side hill. Throw away my garbage, check the load here. That's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. That's still pretty tight. Ugh. Oh, not too much longer, we should be home.
Oh, you could have took that spreader. Oh no, it's still sitting.
No, it's there. So that was a long couple days. We ended up going, first off, if you guys are interested in combine or any heads or anything, and you're in the Pennsylvania area, definitely check off Zeisloff Farm Equipment. I tried panning around with the camera. You can see they have so much stuff down there, it's crazy. We went with The first combine we checked out, we ended up making a deal on that, and I'll show you a picture right here. So we got the 9500. He didn't tell me the year. I got to get the serial number and look it up, but it's got the, it doesn't have like the PTO shaft type hookup. It's got the chain style hookup. So we went with the 643 John Deere corn head. It's got the oil bath, which is nice. We were looking at one that had some poly on it, but this one caught our eye, and actually this one's got the tin on it, but the tin on it looks really good. Actually, these ones are newer. These two, we looked when they picked it up, and these are newer. And this along the bottom is all brand new. This also says the knife rolls, so it's got the, as he was explaining to us, it doesn't cut them, but it like crimps them to bend them. Those are the rolls. Oh, underneath the chain right inside there. Not the round part, but up in there. These are always nice. Yeah, nice looking unit. So right now, we called Cazenove Equipment before we went up and looked at the 9500 and talked to them, and they're actually running a special. Talked to Matt. They're actually running a special right now, servicing combine. So they're gonna drive out. They're gonna do the trucking for us, go out, pick it up, take it to their shop up in Cortland. They're gonna service it, go through, make sure everything's good with it, get it ready to go, and get it down to us here shortly so we can start combining oats. We got the oats they did, well, earlier in the season when I was rolling and my dad was planting. So we're gonna be, as soon as we get it here, we're going to be putting it right to work. So, and then in a matter of no time, we'll be hooking this on. We're not going to put too much corn, just because we were short of corn silage this year. We're not going to put too much corn in the bin to sell. It's going to go for corn silage, or it's going to go in the high moisture corn silo. But whatever's in the high moisture corn silo, we'll still combine. We're still going to have a bunch of beans to put in the bin, and then of course the oats to put in the bin. So anyway, sorry this wasn't too much of an action-packed video. Like I said, I really didn't want to walk into someone's shop and get the camera out and everything. And plus, you're looking the combine over. I wasn't really thinking too much about getting video there. But anyway, so we have gone from a 4420, an old 4420 combine with a 4-row corn head, to a John Deere 9500 combine with a 6-row corn head. I know everyone's going to say you're going to need a new corn planer eventually. I mean, you can't just go out and buy a whole new fleet. So, I mean, we're going to pace ourselves here. So, it's on the list. The famous saying, maybe next year. But anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. Check out the link over the channel info for Mike P 7810 merchandise, where you can get an awesome shirt like this one I'm wearing right now. Yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.